as I'm making this foundry furnace, I am having to use different tools that I just kind of wanted to make some small videos showing how handy they are. One of them is this 18-volt Ryobi P4221 angle grinder. It comes with a handle. I'm not going to be using it right now, but I switched up this wet dry masonry blade and switching it with a metal cut-off diamond blade. When you're using an angle grinder with a diamond cut-off blade, you want to make sure to use eye protection and ear protection because it makes kind of a loud racket. I'm going to be trying to take these tabs off of this lid so I can make my foundry furnace, because I want to take this handle off because I'm going to be making a hole in the middle for a vent. This has been a pretty good purchase. It's got enough power. If you have the right kind of blades, it'll do what it has to do, and you can cut through almost anything. A lot of times these cordless ones won't have enough power, but if you get the right kind of blade, you can make pretty short work of most things, like cutting off screw heads or whatever, cutting sheet metal or cutting 1/4 inch mild steel.